Hey everyone, Dr. Nuesse from EasyDotPhysicals.com back again with another video, and I am super excited about making this video, about getting this video out. If you are watching this video, if you clicked on this video, you are obviously interested on ways, methods, things that you can do to make it easier to pass a urine drug test specifically for marijuana. All right, so this video we are announcing that our master class that teaches people from A to Z how to be best prepared to pass a urine drug test for marijuana that we host on the platform Teachable is 100% free, and I'm going to explain in this video how you can take advantage of this offer. So first off, for those who are not aware of this masterclass, this is a course that myself, in combination with the second largest home drug testing manufacturer on Amazon, put together to teach people exactly what they can do based on science to give themselves the best chance to pass a urine drug test for marijuana. So this course lays out step by step all of the things that you can do to give yourself the best chance to pass a marijuana drug test, and they're all based on science. Your home drug testing schedule, how much water you should drink and when, exercise, supplements that you can take that actually have scientific validity. So this course is not intended to cheat a drug test, but what it's trying to do is to bring marijuana testing times down so they're more in line with other drugs. Other drugs can only be detected for a couple of days, a few days, maybe a week, while marijuana can be detected for months, 1 month, 2 months, maybe even 3 months. So we're trying to shorten that time and get it closer to the detection times for other drugs. And this is a course that we have typically charged upwards of $50 for because it's on the Teachable platform, and we've had literally thousands of clients go through the course up to this point. So we understand that because now we're offering it for free, there's probably going to be a huge rush. A lot of people are going to want to sign up, so we are keeping it limited. I'm going to post this video first to my members page to give them an opportunity, and then it will go to my general YouTube page. So if you are interested, please sign up as soon as possible because I cannot guarantee how long this offer will last. All right, so here's how you sign up for the masterclass for free. And really it's 3 simple steps. So step number 1 is you need to be able to home test to be able to complete the course. So you need home drug testing kits. So use my link in the description box below to pick up your drug test kits straight from Amazon. All right, and step number 2 is after you have purchased your drug testing kits, you will use the link right under that in the description box below, and that will take you to the sign up page where you will enter your email address, and then it will also ask you to upload your proof of purchase because we only want people signing up that can actually complete the course. And then step number 3 is you will almost immediately be sent an email, and that email will grant you access for free to the masterclass. All right, so now that this course is free, there's really no excuse to not be able to pass a urine drug test specifically for marijuana. These other methods, Certo and some of these other things you will find on YouTube and on the internet, they just don't have any scientific backing. So maybe they work for some people, maybe for other people they don't. It's like playing Russian roulette with your employment. So again, I have created this course in combination with the second largest home drug testing manufacturer on the internet. So all of the steps that we have our clients take are backed by science. All right, so purchase your home drug tests, sign up for the course, and then go through the course and follow everything exactly. And then the final thing I'll ask is once you pass your drug test, come back to this video and let me know in the comments section below. All right, until next time, everybody, stay safe.